everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I'm going to show you this look I created. And my inspiration for this look was the Smashbox Pucker Up Lip Palette. And it is the color Punked Matte. It is this color right here. And yeah, if you want to see all the products that's on my face and how to use them, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm starting off with is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. And I'm going to put that on my eyes for a primer. And then I'm going into my Revolution Smoking palette, or Smokey palette, can't remember. It's in the description box below though. And I'm using this matte cream vanilla looking color just to set the brow bone area and also in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with this peachier looking color just for a transition color. And then I'm going to go with my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer to cut the crease. After that, I'm going with the Studio 10 glitter eyeshadow and putting that on the inner corners of the, well, actually it's going all over where I put that concealer. And then I'm going in with this matte gray color and I'm going to go above that cut crease and basically just defining that crease with it. Then I'm going in with my Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette, and I'm using the punked color, that gray punked color. And I'm actually doing a wing liner with it. And then I'm going back in with the Revolution palette, and I'm using that matte gray again, just to set down that winged liner. I don't know how to pronounce these wipes names, but yeah, here's the wipes I'm using just to clean up the fallout and also to get a good winged line going. And I'm going to use a half of a lash of on each side of my eyes on the outer corners, and these are Wish lashes, and I'm using my Duo lash glue. And going in with my Wet n Wild foundation in combination with the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer and putting this as a foundation. Then I'm going in with my Wowder powder and setting the face with it. Then I'm using my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster to glow up the face. And back in with my Glossier Wowder powder to clean up the contour. And wiping off the excess. Using my Kat Von D Blush Duo and putting it as my blush. Going in with the Revolution blush palette, and I'm using this color as a highlight. Going back in with the Smokey palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm using that matte brown just to do my brows. Using my Essence Princess Lash Mascara to coat my lashes just to blend with the falsies and cover up any powder that might be on them. Then going back in with my Smashbox Pucker Up Lip Palette and using that same punked color and using that for my lip color. Going back in with my Smoking palette, using that gray color, and I'm smoking out the lower lash line just a little bit. Then I'm using my Morphe setting spray to set it all down. And then back in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara to coat the lashes again. I did just post a Valentine's giveaway. I posted that the 28th of this month, and you have all the way till February 25th to enter that giveaway. What inspired me to do this look was that gray color that you see on my lips, plus it's Valentine's Day, and I don't normally do little looks like this, cool tone silvery looks, so I was venturing out and doing this look today. Looks really, very pretty. I stepped out of my comfort zone and I tried to make this lip work for me, and it also makes me feel really sexy for Valentine's Day. So I wanted to show a bunch of Valentine's looks throughout this time to get ready for Valentine's Day. So get ready to see a few more Valentine's looks here on my channel. But yeah, I have the giveaway info in my description box below, and I'll also have it at the end card at the end of this video. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this gray lip Valentine's look. And yes, don't forget about that Valentine's giveaway that I had posted the January 28th. You have all the way up to February 25th to enter that. It's going to be linked in my description box below and also at the end card at the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye! By the way, I did try a new product today in this video. It was the Kat Von D Shade and Light Blush, Mickey and Mallory. It's a blush duo, and this was a giveaway win off of Love Jeasamine, and I do have her channel linked in my description box below. She does a lot of TJ Maxx hauls, and she does a lot of giveaways on her channel, and she's from Hawaii. And if you're interested in seeing TJ Maxx hauls and seeing her content, I do have it listed in my description box, and check her out. And if you go over there, please tell her Valerie Dison sent you.